I'm here at the Kubernetes repository in the OOM linux.go file, and I was searching through this for my own project a while ago, and actually saw that at line 75 there's a suspicious sleep. And I was wondering, okay, probably it has to do with the for loop and the fact that you have racing conditions, but it was very hard to actually verify this. So what I did was actually go to Claude. Let me copy this code. And I actually wanted to ask why this happened. So why is there a sleep in the OOM Linux Go file in the, let me also properly get the folder correct, in this specific location. And when I ask this, of course, what Claude does is he makes an assumption. He thinks that is a retry backoff mechanism, and that there's an OOM watcher that uses cgroup notification to detect what containers or when containers are killed. And it also kind of speculates on the pattern that's in there and never actually verifies what it's doing. As you might look in the file, there are no watchers at all. This is about killing a process and actually getting the OOM score correctly and possibly adjusting it. So this is really not right. And therefore I wondered, what if I make an MCP server that actually enables Claude to go to the specific GitHub file and then be able to actually verify this correctly and also get the specific PRs, issues, and all this information as accurate as possible. So let me get this specific comment or question. This is Claude Desktop, where I've integrated my tool. And if I now ask this question, let's see what Claude will do. It immediately starts off with using the specific tool I've designed, which is the getLine context. It searches for the lines and then actually looks into the commits and includes the specific discussions connected to this commit. Then it searches for relevant PRs of this commit he has found, gets the PR, gets the issue, gets the GitHub file, and then actually gives with the full context he has acquired based on the files within the repository. He actually gives a verifiable answer. He points out to the specific PRs, to the specific issues that are related, and then actually gives the correct answer, which is because of the very quickly exiting containers, it actually gives a racing condition and you get an issue. And therefore, this is actually a much better verifiable source. And now you actually have a MCP server and MCP tools to Claude in which you're actually quite sure of what it says instead of relying on the answer. And that's the power of the Codebase Time Machine.